looks like this in just a minute. So let's make sure we understand the problem though. Okay, so what does this thing right here look like to you?
A box.
Say that again?
Fraction.
A fraction, right? So it's saying you've got some sort of a fraction here. And what it's saying is you're going to use the numbers 1 to 9, but you can only use them once. Okay, so you can think of it like listing out all my numbers. 1, 2, 3. So those are my numbers I get to use, but I can only use them once. So once I use them, I have to cross them off. Okay? So I could put 2 numbers in here. So we're just going to make up our numbers right now just to make sure we understand what's going on. What are 2 numbers I could put in here?
3 and 4.
Okay? I got a 3 and 4 up here. I'll let you go next. So now that I've used 3 and 4, can I use them again?
No.
Nope. Okay. What is this thing here? Decimal? Okay. So I can put 2 numbers in here, right? What 2 numbers do you guys want to put in here? You had your hand up before.
1 and 6.
So we could put a 1 and a 6 here. Okay, and we haven't broken any rules yet. Except, wait a minute, there's something, this is saying this is a, what does that mean?
Negative.
So this is a negative 3/4. Now if I'm reading this, it says negative 3/4 is less than negative 1600ths.
Ew.
So we may think that's true or we may think that's false. I'm going to let you guys decide that, but I want to make sure you know how to read it. What if I wanted to read this way? Can I read it that way?
No.
Yeah, you can. So the other way I could read it is I could say 1600ths. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot my negative. Okay, negative 1600ths is greater than negative 3/4. You can read it both ways, but it means the same thing going either direction.
Oh.
So I can either read it as less than or greater than, depending on which way I'm reading it. Okay? So the idea is that we have to be able to fill in this statement to make it true. Now, I showed this to my kids that are in high school, and 2 of my kids said, oh, that actually seems kind of like an interesting problem. It's like Sudoku. And then my other daughter said, that is an awful problem, Mom, and you should not give that to any kids. So you guys can tell me at the end which of my kids you agree with. 2 of them thought it was interesting. The other one was like, no, Mom, don't do that.
Your daughter's smart.
You think the one daughter is smart? Okay. So we're gonna give you the problem. We're gonna ask you to work on it, either with a partner or on your own, whatever you want. We're gonna give you about 5 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and give you some clues. Okay? But we're gonna want you to work on it. Try to do it yourself first, and then we'll do some clues. Okay?
Okay.